Yeah, I found this guy on YouTube. His name is CJ's Info. I don't know. He said he made $10,000. How did he do that? $10,000? How did he do that? What's going on? Hey, creators. Hey, so you want to learn how to make $10,000 on YouTube? Guys, you can definitely do this. You want to know how to do it? Hang tight. Here we go. First thing you need to do when you're on YouTube is you need to create a YouTube channel, okay? If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can't make $10,000. If you have a YouTube channel and you're not making $10,000, well, we need to figure out what the problem is. So let's go ahead and take a look at my channel because I can only speak for myself and what I've done on my channel to make $10,000. Okay, here's my channel. If you haven't seen my actual YouTube channel, CJ's Info, Master Your YouTube Channel. I talk about YouTube basics, tips, and tricks, helping people with their YouTube channels. All right, so 6,000 plus subscribers. I got over 1 million views. All right, so we clicked on my analytics. I'm going to show you my 10 grand right now, okay? I know that's what you want to see. My analytics in the last 7 days, I made $101.95. All right, so that's over $100 a week. So let's go ahead and look at the last 28 days. Last 28 days, $410. That's the estimated revenue that I should be earning. I'm basically clearing $400 a month at this time right now. Last 90 days, okay? Last 3 months, I've made $1,226. All right, so let's take a look at the last year. In the last year, I made $5,007 on YouTube, okay? I'm not telling you guys this because I want to brag. I'm showing you this because I care about you guys and I want to help you guys. And for my lifetime, here we go. Here's the bigger one. $10,704 on YouTube. Boom! That is my lifetime. $10,704 on YouTube, guys, okay? So how did I get $10,000? Where is this coming from? If I were to click on this $10,000 and see where it's coming from under revenue, okay, here you see how I make money. Watch page ads. I made $8,576 through advertisers alone. Advertisements, guys, are huge. Fan funding, $2,065 in fan funding. That's super chat, super stickers, super thanks, memberships. Okay, all the ways you can make money on YouTube through monetization. That is how I made that. YouTube Premium, that's if when people are signed up for YouTube Premium, you actually get paid when people are signed up for YouTube Premium and they watch your videos. You do get paid for that. Even though they're paying, you're actually getting paid by YouTube as well. And then now the newest one is Shorts Feeds Ads, 23 cents. Well, I don't make a lot of shorts, and I should probably start looking into making more shorts because there is money in YouTube Shorts now. Shorts are now monetized. That is part of the YouTube Partner Program. And then here's a more breakdown of it. Super Chats, 1,654. Super Stickers, 227. Channel Memberships, 178. And Super Thanks, 488. All right, guys, so once you get monetized on YouTube, you want to make sure you go to earn. Okay, you got to turn all this stuff on. It doesn't just turn on automatically, meaning your ads, the super chats, the ability to get all of that, you need to actually turn it on. So this is where you go, YouTube Studio, click on earn. And by the way, you get paid on the 21st to 26th of each month, okay? So I will get paid over $400 on the 21st. Hell yeah! All right, so how are you going to make sure that you're making money? On the YouTube Studio page on Earn, you're going to go ahead and click on Supers. And then from here, you're going to make sure all these are toggled on. Super Chat, Super Stickers, and Super Thanks, okay? Make sure they are all turned on blue because when you start, they are all turned off because it's your option. It's your decision if you want to make money on YouTube. It's your decision if you want to make $10,000 on YouTube, okay? So once you get more involved on YouTube, you'll have YouTube shopping, then you'll have memberships, okay? There's so much you can do on YouTube. It's unreal, guys. Hey, I might not be making the same amount of money as Mr. Beast or PewDiePie or any of those people, but listen, my whole thing in life is to help people, and I love helping people. Now, listen, guys, if you're really struggling, you really need some help, you've been doing everything that you can to be successful on YouTube, I want you to get on Discord. You're invited to the bunker. The bunker is a place that you can become friends with people who have YouTube channels and get individual help through me, Nick Pixel TV, and other people who are willing to support you and help you through your YouTube journey. YouTube is not easy by any means. It takes hard work. It takes persistence. It takes commitment. So if that's what you're interested in, and of course, making $10,000, go ahead and join the bunker. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.